no idea what this sound's going to be like, but welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can see, we're filming a trial. Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Apologies for the interruption, but there's something I need to tell you all. I'd just like to say thank you very much to each and every one of you out there. All 1,000 of you, or just a little bit more at the moment, for subscribing to my channel. It looks like you are enjoying it, and if there's anything else you'd like to see, please comment down below. But in the meantime, let's get back to the video. Cheers guys. Up at Red Scar. To be honest with you, this is my last lap. It was a bit hectic at the beginning, so I thought let's not bother. And I'm just on my last lap of about 6 sections, so I'll take you through. I've already walked them, so I've already fluffed them, I've already dabbed them, I've already fallen off, so hopefully we're not going to fall off now, with a bit of luck. But we'll see how it goes. Fancy a bit of that. Stick around, stay tuned. try doing the pink route, which is the easy clubman, which in some instances isn't that easy, really. The biggest thing that makes these trials so good is the people who mark them, really. People who set them out, people who organise them, never mind us not coming to do it. You know, they all pay that money, but it's all these people that help us. It's the game. Thank you. Leave that one out, won't it? Doesn't look much for me, but that drop there is going from section to section is an adventure itself. That all makes a difference. Thank you. First time, both times that I did that, or 3 times that I did that, I messed it up. Well, twice. Now, everybody has a section in this trial that they don't like. This is mine. Oh dear. Fluff that up, I'll try and clear that one. No, not today. Gopro won't show much of these, how steep and everything this is. It's not a walk in the park, but So YouTubers, bit of trialing up on where are we? Red Scar. Rain is starting to come upon us now. Awesome venue, awesome organisers. If you did like that, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down, whichever. Who cares? I do. So I don't like thumbs down. No, it all adds to the algorithms. If you're new here and you just stumbled across us, give us a subscribe. I'd quite like that. Nearly 1,000 subscribers now. Thank you very much. You're all listening to my drivel and all my rubbish that I keep talking to you about. Another trial next Sunday, so hopefully I may do the whole one next week, which will be quite good. Off to Scotland a week on Tuesday, so Isle of Mull, Isle of Skye, everything happening out there. So once again, thanks very much for joining us and getting to this getting all the way here. Not long, many of you do. Don't forget, keep safe, ride safe, be safe, and as they say, we'll see you soon.